Explorers, welcome back to another 2 tickets to anywhere video. As you know, the garden route is ideal for a long weekend getaway and has so many hidden gems and low budget activities. In the previous episode we travelled from Mossel Bay to Hookville and then straight to our favourite town Knysna. In our last episode we'll be riding a tram, but can you guess where? Hello explorers and welcome to this week's Garden Route Adventure episode. In this episode we're starting off here at the Transnet Train Museum in George and we're going on the Outeniqua Powervan up into the Outeniqua Mountains. So come ride with us. The Outeniqua Mountains is named after the Outeniqua Khoekhoe who lived there. This mountain range runs parallel to the southern coast of South Africa and forms part of the garden route. Outeniqua is said to derive from the Khoekhoe and means they who bear honey. The highest peak in the Outeniqua mountain range is the Krodo Peak with an elevation of 1,578 meters. The views just get better and better as the tram's elevation increases. The tram will pass through 7 tunnels and the flora in the mountains are breathtaking. The 4 passes that crosses the Outeniqua Mountains are the railway route, Outeniqua Pass, Korok Pass and the Montseke Pass. As the tram reaches its highest point, it will stop, put it in reverse and start to descend. On the way down, the tram stops for 30 minutes at one of the most beautiful picnic spots in the Outeniqua Mountains. So pack your own drinks and snacks and enjoy the spectacular views. After the tram ride, you can go back in time and stroll through the Transport Museum. This is an epic day outing idea and won't break the bank. Most epic experience.
Guys, this was absolutely an awesome experience. It's only 220 Rand per person and it's 2.5 hours on the Outeniqua Powervan. We would suggest to book well in advance.
Yes guys, this trip was absolutely epic. The views from up in the mountains are breathtaking. Thank you for joining us on this training trip, and then remember guys, explore more! And now that the long weekend came to an end, it's time to head back to the concrete jungle in Gauteng. Bon voyage!